For a responsive and vibrant gaming experience, IPS-type devices with a high refresh rate are suggested. The 27-inch 4K MOBIUZ EX2710U gaming monitor is loaded with features, including a 144Hz refresh rate, AMD FreeSync Premium Pro support, a 1 millisecond certified response time, and HDR10 support. The fact that it will be reasonably priced to accommodate any budget is maybe the nicest feature. Continue watching to find out if this is the right monitor for you if you're shopping for a new one. The monitor has a very modern, sleek appearance, which is what the majority of gamers are currently seeking for. There aren't any buttons or flashing lights wherever to be seen. Instead, it has a simple, elegant appearance. Everything is quite orderly. The stand base, which is extremely contemporary and futuristic, is what sticks out the most. It is made of silver plastic and contains a rubber component that is extremely bright orange. You get that game-like sense from this interior strip. You can adjust the stand quite a bit. It has a height range of 100 mm, a tilt range of -15 to 15 degrees, and a swivel range of -15 to 15 degrees. The monitor appears to have outstanding build quality and is stable in its position. The monitor's bezel is very thin on the top, left, and right sides and slightly thicker on the bottom, where the BenQ logo can also be seen. The sensor suite, which is used for the brightness intelligence plus and HDRi capabilities, is concealed in the center of the gaming panel. BenQ is really sleek and shrewd. The HDRi button on the monitor's bottom right side is the sole additional feature that its silver hue can draw your attention to. The screen also features an anti-glare coating, which, when it is off, gives it a nice matte finish. The little panel at the back of the screen conceals the ports provided by the BenQ MOBIUZ EX2710U. You will find 2 HDMI 2.1 connectors, 1 DisplayPort 1.4 connection, 4 USB-A ports, 1 USB Type-B port, 1 power input, and 1 headphone jack are all present on the device. The EX2710Q-like 4 triangular appearance, which adds to the display's futuristic appearance, can be found on the back of the screen. The back is white, and orange lines divided from the front. The Mobius logo is the only logo present, and since it is the only logo, the appearance is similarly simple and contemporary from the back. To ensure top-notch performance, this monitor was built to be utilized with the most potent gaming systems. The 27-inch 4K resolution BenQ EX2710U won't let you down. The panel has a maximum brightness of 600 nits, and a resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels. The contrast ratio is 1000 by 1, and the viewing angles, both vertically and horizontally, are up to 178 degrees. All of this can already demonstrate to you that this monitor will provide you with exceptional performance, regardless of the games you enjoy playing. However, this is not all. The 144Hz refresh rate and 1 millisecond GTG response rate are more than adequate to meet all of your needs. Up to 98% of the DCI-P3 color space is covered, and 1.07 billion different color hues are reproduced. On this monitor, even the brightest games will appear fantastic. The AMD FreeSync Premium Pro feature, which eliminates any stutters, is another feature that will make this monitor even more comfortable to use. Additionally, you have the option of using a variable refresh rate, which improves gameplay even further. Another feature BenQ included is blur reduction, which is great to have when playing first-person shooter games. The monitor contains a 2.1-channel, dual 2-watt and 5-watt woofer speakers, ensuring you have fantastic sound, since audio is one of the most important components of gaming. The monitor also has BenQ DPS sound technology, which improves stereo field imaging, depth, clarity, and bass definition. At the bottom of the monitor, next to the artificial intelligence noise-canceling microphone, are the speakers. They obviously can't compete with an external speaker or high-quality headphones, but they're still not bad if you'd rather go without your headphones occasionally. Several preset sound settings are available for gaming: FPS, full audio intensity, racing game, eye-popping engine revs, sport game, crystal clear sportscasts. Additionally, there are 3 game modes: color, which adjusts the vividness of colors to make them appear three-dimensional; Black Equalizer, which enhances visibility in low light conditions; and Light Tuner, which lets you adjust the screen's brightness in 20 levels. It has attributes like vibrance. As more HDR content becomes accessible, having an HDR display is growing in popularity. Not all monitors, meanwhile, can deliver good HDR performance. By fine-tuning parameters, HDRi, a BenQ-only HDR technology, enhances HDR output to deliver the best possible results for viewers. Game HDR improves color performance, contrast, and detail. The skin tone and red are highlighted on the characters in Death Stranding when played on the EX2710U, and the scenes are displayed in chilly colors. Display HDR, on the other hand, offers less detail and exhibits overexposure issues. BenQ hasn't overlooked eye protection for the BenQ MOBIUZ EX2710U display, since they understand how crucial it is for people who spend hours in front of a screen. Even after long work days or nights of gaming, flicker-free and low blue light technology is superb, and keeps your eyes from getting tired. BenQ's exclusive smart feature for the display is BI Plus technology. Based on the ambient light the light sensor detects, it can automatically adjust the brightness brightness and color temperature to the proper level. Overall, the BenQ MOBIUZ EX2710U is a great option for people who want to play AAA games, such RPG and MMORPG, on a big screen with high refresh rates. This gaming monitor is absolutely worth it because it has a stylish appearance and great performance. This might be the perfect monitor for you if you're shopping for a new one. It will look lovely in your home and is ideal for both working and playing games. I hope this review was helpful to you. Have a nice day and see you soon.